Hello and welcome back to T Classified. Today I shall be solving question number 7A of WAEC June 2018, still on Christian religious studies. The question reads: narrate Peter's miraculous escape from prison. Narrate Peter's miraculous escape from prison. Alright? We'll start by saying that what? We'll start by saying this very account could be found in the book of Acts chapter 12 verse 1 to 19. Acts chapter 12 verse 1 to 19. And we make it clear that now there was a king in Jerusalem known as Herod Agrippa. Herod Agrippa, who actually opposed and persecuted the church. In the cause of his opposition and persecution, he had James, the brother of John, he had him killed, and which pleased the Jews. And when Herod Agrippa realized that his killing of James, the brother of John, pleased the Jews, he went ahead to arrest Peter with the intention of killing him as well. But during the arrest, it was the period of unleavened bread, so he had a plan of what, keeping him in custody until after the Passover celebrations. He had Peter in prison with chains on his hands and his legs, and placed him between two guards. He made sure he was strictly guarded to prevent him from escaping. Okay, while Peter was in prison, he was asleep at night, but then the church was fervently praying for him. And while Peter was asleep in the prison, in the midst of the two guards, the angel of the Lord appeared to him and told him to get up quickly and get dressed. Peter obeyed and immediately got up. The chains on his hands and the chains on his legs fell off, and he left the prison. The angel of the Lord told him to follow, and he followed the angel, although everything seemed like a dream to him, until the angel led him out of the first gate, the second gate, and the iron gate that led to the city. And Peter became very conscious after the angel departed and realized God has sent his angel to deliver him from prison, to set him free from prison. Immediately he set off to Mary's house, that is Mary, the mother of John Mark. He set off there, and while he was going there, when he got there, he realized that the church had been gathered there praying for him. And when he knocked on the door, Rhoda was able to recognize his voice, and she announced to the people that Peter was around. Although the people never believed her, they thought she was mad, that the only situation Peter would have been around was either his ghost or his angel. But when they opened the door, they realized Peter was truly around, and they were filled with joy. They wanted, shouting and celebrating it, but Peter told them to hold their peace and narrated how the Lord sent his angel to set him free from the prison. After this, Peter fled away from Jerusalem, and on the next day, when King Herod Agrippa realized that Peter was nowhere to be found, he had the two guards executed. So that is the answer to question number 7 of WAEC June 2018. Let's take down the major points. We said this account is found in Acts chapter 12 verse 1 to 19. All right. King Herod Agrippa did what? Opposed and persecuted the church. He also had James, the brother of John, killed. He also had James, the brother of John, killed, which pleased the Jews, and this act, or this response prompted the arrest of Peter. Peter was arrested during a period of the unleavened bread, and Herod planned to have him killed after the Passover celebrations. So he put him in prison with his hands and legs chained. He also placed two guards around him to stop him from escaping. While Peter was in prison, the church was fervently praying for him. And when he was sleeping, the angel of the Lord, an angel of the Lord, appeared to him and told him to get up and get dressed. Which he obeyed. And after which his chains fell off, and the angel led him out of the prison. Okay, so the angel led him out of the prison, and as earlier said, all this seemed to Peter as dream, until the angel led him out of the iron gates and the angel departed. That was when he became conscious and realized that God has sent his angel to deliver him from prison. He went straight up to Mary, the mother of John Mark's house, where the church was gathered, and Rhoda announced this presence, which was at first unbelievable to the church, and later on he revealed and told them how he was released, and after that he fled from Jerusalem. And on the next morning, when they could no longer find Peter, Herod Agrippa ordered the execution of the two guards. So this is the answer to question number 7A of WAEC June 2018 Christian Religious Studies. I hope you like and understand the presentation. Do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe for more videos, and also visit our website at www.educateafricans.com for more academic assistance. Thank you very much, and God bless you.